Mastering streaming data. A single misstep in incident response can destroy our streaming data system's operational excellence. How do we ensure that our incident response and escalation procedures are well-defined, regularly reviewed, and effectively communicated to all stakeholders, so that we can promptly detect and respond to issues with our streaming data systems to minimize downtime and maintain operational excellence? Establishing a robust incident response and escalation procedure is crucial for minimizing downtime and maintaining operational excellence in streaming data systems. To achieve this, a comprehensive approach should be implemented, focusing on well-defined procedures, regular reviews, and effective communication to all stakeholders. 1. Define incident response and escalation procedures. Develop a detailed document outlining incident response and escalation procedures, including incident classification, e.g., severity levels, impact categories, roles and responsibilities for incident response teams, communication protocols, e.g., notification channels, incident status updates, escalation procedures for unresolved incidents, root cause analysis and post-incident review processes. 2. Establish a centralized incident management system. Implement a centralized incident management system to track, monitor, and analyze incidents. This system should provide real-time incident tracking and visualization, offer automated notifications and alerts, integrate with communication channels, e.g., email, SMS, collaboration tools, support incident prioritization and resource allocation. 3. Regular review and update of procedures. Schedule regular reviews, e.g., quarterly, to update incident response and escalation procedures, ensuring they remain relevant and effective. Involve stakeholders from various teams, including streaming data system administrators, developers, quality assurance engineers, operations teams, management and leadership. 4. Communication and training. Develop a comprehensive communication strategy to ensure all stakeholders understand their roles and responsibilities in incident response and escalation. Create a knowledge base with detailed procedures, FAQs, and training materials. Provide regular training sessions and workshops for incident response teams. Conduct simulated incident response exercises to test procedures and identify areas for improvement. Establish a feedback mechanism for stakeholders to suggest improvements. 5. Incident classification and prioritization. Implement an incident classification system to prioritize incidents based on severity, impact, and urgency. This system should categorize incidents by severity, e.g., critical, major, minor. Assign incident owners and teams responsible for resolution. Establish clear service level agreements, SLAs, for incident resolution. 6. Escalation procedures. Develop a clear escalation procedure to ensure timely and effective communication. Define escalation triggers, e.g., incident severity, resolution time. Establish a clear chain of command for escalation. Provide guidelines for incident handovers between teams. 7. Post-incident review and analysis. Conduct thorough post-incident reviews to identify root causes, analyze response effectiveness, and implement improvements. Gather incident response team feedback and lessons learned. Analyze incident metrics, e.g., response time, resolution rate, mean time to detect. Identify areas for process improvement and update procedures accordingly. 8. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Regularly review and assess incident response and escalation procedures to ensure they remain effective and efficient. Monitor incident metrics and KPIs, e.g., incident response rate, mean time to resolve. Conduct regular stakeholder surveys to gauge satisfaction and identify areas for improvement. Implement changes and updates based on lessons learned and stakeholder feedback. By implementing these measures, organizations can ensure their incident response and escalation procedures are well defined, regularly reviewed, and effectively communicated to all stakeholders, enabling prompt detection and response to issues with their streaming data systems, thereby minimizing downtime and maintaining operational excellence.